Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Samsung Health app not working issue in Samsung phone. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.